Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. Today I will be doing an unboxing. This unboxing was supposed to come out a few weeks ago, but my order got a little bit messed up. So what happened was I have my parents help me because I used their PayPal account to buy my models. So when we were going to pay for them, I think we got distracted and had to leave it sitting there for a while, so it kind of like froze and messed up the website. And if you've ever ordered from any model websites, you know they're not the strongest of websites. So I think it's for some reason cleared the cart, but when we went to pay for it, it confirmed the order on PayPal, but the company I was ordering it from, the Flying Mule, it did not receive my order, but it received the money. So they didn't do anything wrong on their part. It was just kind of a weird mistake that happened. When I went to call them, he fixed it and helped me, but one of the planes that I ordered was not available. It had sold out, which is kind of annoying. Again, nothing on their part, it just was a weird inconvenience. So I did order the same plane from Waffle Collectibles, and I ordered the other plane from the Flying Mule again. So I ended up having to pay about $10 extra for shipping, but I did get both of these models. So let's open them up and see what we got. Okay, so let's open these models up and see what's inside. I'm pretty excited. So as you can see, the first one has already been opened. I just couldn't really wait to see, this was the one I was most excited for. So there's a lot of packing peanuts inside. Well, not as much as some of the other ones I've done, but yeah, there they go. And we'll see what's inside. This is the one from Waffle, the one that's sold out from the Flying Mule. So yeah. Take the newspaper off, and yeah, it is the SAS A350 900 in the new livery. Super excited to have this one in my collection, but we'll set that one over here. We'll whip out our handy dandy pocket knife, cut this one open. And then this is this other one that I ordered originally from the Flying Mule. So we got the packing slip, a bunch of packing peanuts, and yeah, there's the model, the UPS MD-11. So I do a airport of Louisville International, and as you can know, you can never have too many UPS MD-11s. So yeah. I got this one. You can also expect another Louisville International Airport update in the near future. So yeah, let's get these models out of the box, and we'll do a close-up review on them. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the SAS A350. I like their new paint job, like the silver on the wings. Ooh, some Waffle business card. They used to be double-sided, but I think you get those every time you order from eBay. But yeah, here's the model. Get the tape off, and yeah, I've already looked at it again, but it's very, very nice. Colors are perfect. I think the landing gear are perfect. Engines are great. I didn't notice the Scandinavian before, but that's pretty cool. Registration is Sierra Echo Roger, I forget what the R is, but Sierra Alpha. Okay, next we have the UPS MD-11. We'll open it up and see what we got. I have not opened this one. So, yeah, looks good. I really like the MD-11s. They're one of my favorite looking planes, especially in the UPS livery, which is also a very underrated paint job in my opinion, but yeah, put that in there. And And yeah, model looks great. You got the classic engine on the tail. Front looks good. No bent wings. And yeah, we'll go into more depth on these models. Okay, so we're gonna start with the SAS A350. If you couldn't already tell, I've shut the blinds, but I am in my new room. So I've got this new table set up. I've got the airport over there that's set up for the next MK International Airport update. But yeah, the lighting's a lot better with the window curtain closed. So yeah, this is a very, very nice model. I was hoping to get it. I was glad to get it before it sold out. And the new livery, just like the old one's good too, but this is really good. Silver letters are nice. The tail is nice. I like all of the flags at the rear. But yeah. So here we have the cockpit with the typical Airbus outlined in black. We have the flags miniaturized, all the pitot tubes and stuff, the Starlines logo, L1 boarding door, the SAS titles, which I already documented, look amazing. L2 boarding door, all the windows, which are really big, I think, in the A350. At least that's what I've heard. We have the engines, which are, I like the blue on them. The typical A350 winglets, with the curvature of them, looks pretty neat. Then we have the rear door with the registration, which is SE-RSA. The Norwegian, Swedish, and Danish flag. We have the tail, which looks nice with the SAS. Scandinavian titles, engines look great. It's a really nice plane. Again, if you haven't already, I would recommend getting it. They are going pretty fast. But yeah, let's move on to the UPS Okay, so here we have the UPS MD-11. I was really glad to get this one. I need more, obviously. Probably end up with at least like maybe 7, 10, maybe 12. Just because, again, I do Louisville, which is the cargo hub for UPS. Their headquarters are here, for the airline at least. And yeah, I already have a MD-11, which you can see over there, set up for the MK International Airport update. But again, this is my second one, so yeah, it looks really nice. You have the cockpit, the boarding door, cargo door. I guess those two smaller doors are for cargo as well. We have the one window, so they can inspect the engine there. Landing gear, which is always neat. They've got the two on the sides and one in the center, which is pretty cool. Alright, then we have the second window on the back to inspect the over wing, which looks good. And then the iconic MD-11 tail, which is the best part about it, the engine on the tail. It looks like that. I've already said it's one of my favorite looking aircraft, just because of the tail and how cool it looks. But yeah, I would definitely, these go to almost every airport, so if you get UPS, you have about a 1 in 3 chance that it's this aircraft. So yeah, if you haven't already, I would go ahead and get this one. Well, that sums up this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned from it. Sorry for the shaky camera work. I'm working with a really small tripod here, and the lighting, it'll get better. This is the first video from my new room. You can expect a MK International Airport coming out soon, as well as a Louisville International Airport. Still waiting for one new model, which is another UPS plane, so I'll unbox that with another one. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more awesome aviation content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.